Okay, you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pattern right here. We're going to begin this pattern, and this pattern is the same, but this one is, you know, like to put it together later on. So this is why I mark it like that. This one goes like that, this part like this goes up, and then you turn it and then going to be like that, alright. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to make this pattern. I'm going to show you how to make it, so I hope you guys like it. I'm going to use very big sea beads, alright. You guys can use the smaller one so your earring come out really nice, alright. This one is nylon thread, or whatever you guys call it. I'm using nylon, and it is very thin. Alright, so we're going to leave enough tail to hold the work. That way the beads didn't going to escape. So we're going to pick up two. I'm going to use blue and clear color like this. Alright, so we pick up two. And we sew from the bottom of the first one like that. Try not to make knots in your work. It's very hard to move it around. That is what the beads try to do right here. Tricky beads. Alright, so we're going to do like that. Now we're going to pass it again this way. Now we're going to pick up a blue one, and then we do it like this. I don't know if you guys like to do this different way. Me, I'm just doing it like that. It's easy for me to do it. So turn it around like that and get my other bead like this. Pass it this way, then I turn it around like that. One more time. This, and pass it through here, and then when it gets stuck nice, turn around like this. Now we're gonna put it in a clear one like this. Then you sew through it like this. Turn this around. Then I grab my last blue like so. Now from here I'm going to try to reinforce it. Maybe that way it's going to be easy for me to work, okay? You guys can leave it like that, or you guys can reinforce it too, however you guys want to do it. Alright, I'm going to go just up and down like that. So hopefully it gets tighter. That's what we want. Okay. It's very hard to work with this kind of material. Alright, kind of a bit tighter. Not that tight, but a bit. So hopefully I can move around easily. See? Alright, so we have the thread up here. Now from here what we're going to do, and I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce the names properly, because you know my English is not that good, so I'm sorry for that. So we're gonna pick up a blue one and a clear one, or you can go a silver color if you want it. We're gonna escape this one and we're going to grab the next one right here, like so. And then we pass it from the bottom to the top, like that. Now we're gonna grab a blue one. We pass it to the next, like this. Then we put the needle from the bottom to the top, like that. The next one is going to be blue. We pass it back up, like this. Now we pick up a clear one. Then we go up again, like so. Then we grab a blue one, I sew from in out, or sometimes from out in, you know, however I get comfortable. If you guys know a better way, go ahead and use it. Me, I'm just trying to show you guys the little bit that I learned, like I said. So hopefully it's good enough for you guys, so I can learn how to do a little bit like I did. Now we're gonna pick up a blue one and a clear one, and this we pass it to the next, right here. Now from the bottom to the top, so like that. We pick up a blue one, then we sew from the bottom to the top. Now we pick up a clear one or silver, however you guys want to call it, or however color you guys using. Like this. We sew back up. Now we pick up the blue one. We sew through it like this. I noticed that this thread is making fun of me. I'm sorry for that, but it's really having so much fun. I just noticed nylon material, because I cannot even pronounce the name of this material properly, so I'm so sorry for that. Alright, we turn this again and we pick up two, one blue and one clear. We sew into the next. I have to cut it. Well, this is one of my many mistakes that I always make, so I'm sorry for that. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this one as it is, and then I'm going to make a knot on the bottom like this, and then I'm going to put it through from here all the way up. That is just me. I know you guys don't gonna have the same problem that I have. Like this. So right here I'm going to leave this thread like that, and then I sew through it later so I can get rid of it. Now we're going to put another one of the silver to the next one like that. Sew it back on from the bottom to the top. Now we put the last of the blue one like this. We sew back up. We turn this around like this, and then we pick up two, one blue and one clear, or silver, however you guys want to call it, or whichever color you guys using. Just don't forget to pick up two like this. Now one blue, like that. Then pass it from the bottom to the top like that. Alright, turn this around, and now we're going to pick up two blue. I'm sorry if I didn't get the right size. You know, one is bigger than another, one is round, one is not, so I'm sorry for that. But that's all I got, so I'm using what I got. Just like that. Then sew back up like this. And that's it. That's a part of the earring. Now you go back down, make knots around the bead, and then cut your thread. And this tail, you can use it to put the earring. If you guys gonna make an earring, you can use your tail. If you leave it long enough, you can use it to put the two pieces together. Alright, I make the other one right here, and we're supposed to put it together. Let me show you. Hopefully I can't do that without make this one fall apart. Let me see if I can do that. I'm going down, I'm going straight down, just like that. You guys can make knots and whatever you guys need to do. Me, I'm just going down, so I show you how to begin put it together, the part of the earring. Alright, because remember I have a problem with my material, get stuck in everything. So that is that. So we're going to begin right here. Like I said, you guys make as many knots as you want to. Right here I'm just gonna make one, just like that, double, because this material is not that thin, so I do not want the beads to get stuck when I put the needle through. Alright, so right here I'm gonna put it together. This is how I learned, so I hope it is the right way. Alright, this, so next bead like this, pass it through the next one in the bottom like this, then go into the next one up like that. You can actually go straight up into the next one. So you go down to the next one and you go like that, back and forth until you put your earring together, just like that. On to the next one, and go straight into the other clear one, just like that. This one have nuts right here, so it's not going to be that easy. Let me see if I let me go through like this. Then you go into the next blue one right here and through the next one, and then go again back and forth until the bead gets together. Alright, like this one, go back down into the silver one, and then go back up like this. Like I said, my work is totally bed make, totally bed. Supposed to tie this right here, and these kind of material, if you pull it, look at what happened, it get twist. So it's supposed to be look like that, but these ends right here are supposed to be get really close to each other like this. So let me see if I can make it happen. And this, go up into this one too. And that, onto the next one. Now I'm going to go into the next one. This one over here, and then go up to this one again, and then go back down through this blue one like this. And like you see right there, it gets close. Alright, so right here what you do is just finish it by cutting the thread, you know, making knots and stuff. I'm gonna try to make one right here, so hopefully let me do it. And go back down. These beads are so big, so they are all over the place. I'm gonna go up to get into this side so I can make a knot over there. I'm gonna try to get all the way over there. Back down here. Go up like that. Like this. Turn around to this silver one. And like I said, my beads are, you know, some of them are very big, and some of them are not even round, so they are all over the place. I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna try to go down to this one and then try to go back up like this. So hopefully it makes a knot himself. Yeah. I'm gonna make another knot right here. Just like this. Now I'm going up because I need to make sure this other part didn't fall apart. Go down right here. Just remember this one where I make the mistake. My material came up, so I need to tie this up somehow. See? Go down here. This. And go up in here. And go up in here again. And go down to this. That was a bad one. Supposed to go down to the silver. At this point, it's like about, let me see, 3:40 in the morning, and my eyes are so tired. So even if the beads are this big, I don't even see where the material comes out. So I'm gonna try to cut it and hopefully they didn't fall apart. Alright? But not this one, because I'm gonna show you. Let me go back up. I'm gonna show you something that you need to do. I'm gonna grab whatever bead that I have. I think I have a black, but you guys can use different color. Alright? That's all I got right here, so that's what I'm gonna use. Just to make the loop, give you guys an idea how to make the loop so you guys can make your loop. This one is like much small size bead. It's like, I don't know, much smaller than the one I'm using right here. I'm gonna put a 6 only. I'm gonna pick up 6. Like that. Then I'm going to let him down like that. I'm gonna pick up 2 more. I thought I'd pick up 6. I just pick up 4. I don't even know what color is this at this point. Brother. Oh well, anyway, you pick up 6, then you pass the needle through the first one like that, and then through the blue one like that. And that's how you make a loop. Now from here, hold the stitching and then go down through this one. No, I am down. Now I'm going to try to get back up. So I'm going to pass the thread to the other side. Then I'm going to grab the one in the bottom like that. So I'm going to pass it back up. See how many times it's going to let me pass it. You guys can pass as many times as you need it, because you guys are going to choose different size of beads. So then go back down like that. Alright you guys, the battery is low, so I just want to give you an idea how to make this earring. Now from here you just cut everything, and down here you can put something else if you want it. At this point I just like to show you guys how to begin actually this pattern, which was always pick up 2 at the beginning of the pattern of the turn 2.